A small watch sits on a quiet shelf today. Its hand stopped many years ago. One moment changed history forever. The city wakes up slowly. Soft light touches every rooftop. People walk to work with warm cups of tea. Small shops open their wooden doors. A boy ties his shoes and checks his old watch. The street smells like fresh bread. A young man wears the watch on his wrist. It was a gift. He looks at it every single morning. Birds move quietly between the thin summer branches. The sky is clear and blue. Nothing feels strange yet. A radio hums in the kitchen. The voice speaks about the weather. A woman stirs rice and hums a soft old song. The clock on the wall ticks softly. Somewhere far away, engines fly high above the clouds. No one looks up yet. The silver watch has small numbers and a thin hand. It shines in the light. The young man smiles and closes the wooden door. The river moves slowly past the old stone bridge. Children laugh near the water. A soft wind moves through the trees. The clock reads 8:15. A bright light fills the whole sky. Everything on the street becomes completely silent. The light is brighter than anything the city has seen. Windows shake. Dust rises slowly from every broken wall. For one moment, there is no sound at all. The young man cannot move or speak. His ears feel heavy and strange. The small hand on his watch stops right there. It says 8:15. Time seems to freeze in place. Smoke fills the narrow street. People walk slowly through the gray air. No one understands what has just happened. Buildings that stood this morning are now only pieces. The bridge is still there. The river still moves, quiet and gray. The young man holds his watch close to his chest. His hands shake a little. He does not know where to go. The street where children played is completely empty now. Ash falls like soft gray snow. The air feels warm and heavy. He walks past broken doors. He looks for his family in the gray streets. Every face looks the same. His heart feels tight and his throat feels dry. He stops walking. He looks down at the small silver watch again. The watch still says 8:15, exactly the same. He holds it tightly. Tears fall quietly down his tired face. An old woman sits beside a broken wooden cart. She calls out softly to the young man nearby. Her voice is gentle and slow. She offers him a cup of water. He drinks it slowly, without any words. Her hands are warm and steady. They sit together on a low stone step by the road. The sky is turning orange. Neither one speaks for a long moment. He shows her the small silver watch on his wrist. She looks at the frozen hands. She touches it gently. "This watch remembers," she says softly. He nods slowly and looks at the sky. The wind moves through the quiet street. They watch the smoke rise into the evening sky. Neither one needs to say anything more. The silence feels warm, not cold. She places her hand softly on his shoulder for a moment. He closes his eyes. For a second, the pain feels a little smaller. A soft breeze moves through the broken street around them. The stars begin to show above. The night feels quiet and still. "I will keep this watch safe," he says quietly. She smiles a small, tired smile. The moment feels heavy but gentle. They rest together under the wide night sky. The city around them slowly grows quiet. The watch stays still in his hand. Morning comes again, soft and pale over the quiet city. The young man wakes slowly. His watch is still in his hand. He stands up slowly. He looks at the broken street around him. He decides to help clear the fallen stones. He works quietly beside other tired people nearby. No one talks much. Everyone moves gently, step by step. Many years pass slowly, one after another. The city grows new buildings and quiet green parks. The old watch stays safe in a small box. The watch now sits inside a calm, well-lit glass case. Visitors walk past slowly. They stop and look closely at the frozen hands. A young girl looks at the watch closely. She reads the small card beside the glass case. Her face grows soft and thoughtful. An old man stands beside her and speaks softly. This watch remembers a very sad morning. She holds his hand gently. The watch still says 8:15, just like before. It never moves again, not even a little. It waits quietly for anyone who visits. Time cannot erase what once happened here. It only remembers. The watch holds that quiet memory safely. The room grows soft and quiet. Outside, the city moves gently under a calm sky. The small watch rests, still and peaceful.